was this mama sheep with her 7 little lambs.
Mom, we're hungry.
Mom, are you done with work?
Come on, Mom.
Yes, my children, I have finished work. What delicious food should I buy for you?
Ha ha ha.
My kids, don't open the door for anyone while I'm gone.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, now that the mama's gone, I can finally hit the sheep's house. This is my chance. It's gonna be a delicious lunch for sure.
Mom's back! Mom's back!
Open up, kids. I'm back, and I've got some tasty treats for you. Once you open up, I'm gonna eat you guys.
Stop, Mom said. Don't open the door for anyone. And that's not Mom.
That's right. It's the wolf then.
Hey, Wolf, go back home. We're not opening up.
Back off! Back off!
Open up already! Damn it!
Your voice is too rough. Mom's voice is soft.
Damn, you tasty little sheep! I'll be back for revenge. I need lots of chalk to make my voice smooth.
Open up, sweeties. I'm back.
Mom is back again, lighting up our way with a love that fills every single day. Such a giant joy and a light so bright. Her warmth is back, chasing all the fright. Just like a dream, peaceful and sweet. Just like a dream, peaceful and sweet. In her arms we rest, holding her hand, seeing the dawn like a promised land. Our mom is back.
Sorry.
Our mom is back.
If you're really our mom, let us see your hands.
What? Fine.
Yes, you're the wolf. Your cover is blown.
You won't fool us, Wolf. Our mom's hands are white and soft.
That's it! I'm coming over there. Fast! I'll show you! Now, they'll open up.
That's Mom. She's back.
Open up now, kids. Fast.
Let us see your hands first, Mom, so I can open the door for you.
It's really hers, Mom.
Hello, you tasty little sheep. I'm gonna eat you all.
Run quickly.
me! Please, leave me!
Stay quiet in the
Leave
bag.
me! I have returned, my little dears.
It's the wolf, Mom! He took my brothers!
Oh, do not be sad, my little one. That evil wolf has sentenced himself to destruction.
I'll clean up good. Then it's sheep in my belly.
Mom, we are afraid.
We came to save you.
My dear children, you have returned to me at last. Come on, let's hurry before the evil wolf comes. The wolf will be surprised by what is inside the bag.
I slept all the way till morning. I'll light the fire and cook up these tasty sheep. Oh, no! Oh, no! Help! Oh no, help! I swear I won't eat you guys anymore! No!